Hello, my name is Ms. Rice from Georgia Training Center, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to put on and take off PPE, only the gown and the gloves. For the state of Georgia, they only require donning and doffing the gown and the gloves. Before you begin your procedure or putting on your PPE, of course, you're going to always wash your hands. You will then pick your PPE gown up. It will be new in the pack. You're going to hold it up. Make sure it does not touch the floor or anything else to get dirty. Since your hands are clean, you can go ahead and put it on, pull it up. You're going to then tie the top. And for the state of Georgia, it doesn't matter which one you tie first, whether you tie the waist first or tie the neck first. You just have to make sure that they are both tied in a bow. So be careful not to put it in a knot, because it is difficult tying behind your back. So you're going to tie the neck in a bow. Make sure I got it in a bow. Okay, I do. The newer gowns, which I like to order for the students, come where you can tie on the side. And so you're going to make sure that the back is fully enclosed. You're going to take your strings, and because they are side strings, you'll be able to tie on the opposite side and you don't have to reach behind your back. So you'll go ahead and tie this also in a bow. And what I like to do, because I have to put on my gloves, and the cuff of the glove has to go down the cuff of the gown has to go down into the glove. I like to pull my cuff down just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and put my gloves on. And if for any reason the cuff slips up, all you have to do is tuck it down in there. We'll go ahead and put the other glove on. The cuffs are tucked down in the gloves, and my back is closed as much as possible and tied in a bow. From there, I need to take my gloves off, and to correctly take your gloves off, you're going to reach and pinch the opposite hand, pull that down, ball it up in the opposite hand, and then you're going to just stick your fingers under and take that glove off. You're going to then drop it in the trash. And now you have to begin taking off your gown, making sure you don't touch the outside. So you're just going to grab the string and undo it. Then you're going to reach back and grab the strings that are on the neck, making sure you pull the correct one so you don't pull it in make it go in a knot. I usually like to teach my students to hold on to the strings and pull it down halfway off of your arms. Then you can let go of one. You can reach in, slide that sleeve down, hold on to it, and then reach in with the opposite hand and slide that sleeve down. That way you're only touching the inside of the gown and not the outside. You're going to then roll it with the dirty side in and holding it away from you. And then you will put this in the trash and you will wash your hands, and that is the end of that skill.